Hello guys, today we're having a simple tutorial on how to turn an image from this to this using Google Snapseed. So if you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you. So you have our Snapseed open, click on the plus sign to add an image. Select your image. Okay, now we applied a portrait mode to the image. That will apply some vignette and some glow to the image. As you can see, we have our image, then that's okay. Then the next thing is that we go to the double exposure to add the sky effect to the image. Simply by going to the double exposure, then select an image, select to add an image. So now we have our sky, then scale it to give a perfect look. That's how Snapseed works. Add an opacity to the image a little bit. That's okay. The next thing is to go to view edits and then to the stack brush to edit where the effect applies. Paint across where the sky is to add the sky effect to the image. Paint. Also, do remember that Snapseed is available for both Android and iPhones. So that's okay. Then the next thing is to tune the image to give it some side of warmth effects. So go to tune image, add some little brightness to the image, or reduce, and then add some saturation again, some highlights too, and then warmth. Reduce the warmth to -100 to give a bluish look. That's okay. So that's okay. We have our image with this effect. The next thing is to add our text. Go to the text button and click. Then change the font and double click on the image to edit your text. Type in your text. Then pinch in the screen to scale the text. Scale it a little bit. That's okay. So the next thing is go to the view edits and then to the stack brush. paint out where the image overlaps the portrait of the man, so that we have his full picture on the text. Pinch out to see the full image, and that's all. And that's all we have for the image. This is the final result. Let's save the image. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe.